So you're thinking about moving to Phoenix, Arizona. Well, kind of thinking about it. Well, in this video, we are in North Phoenix, actually North Phoenix, off of the Carefree Highway in Desert Hills area. We are where the custom homes are built on an acre lot. Lots of privacy up here. You definitely get all the wind and the wildlife up here as well. This home is located very close to the mountain preserve right over here. So if you like hiking, biking, trail running, walking, whatever you like to do outside, it is like almost steps outside your house here. This house right behind me that we are going to go into and show you, it is a 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a very unique house. One of the bedrooms is like a mother-in-law suite. Very large, has great views. In fact, every room in this house has views to the mountain preserve and to the desert. So it is just absolutely wonderful. It is 3,224 square feet. It was built in 2003. And like I said, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and there is no HOA here. It is a 4-car garage, one right there and one right there. It's an extended car garage, has cabinets all throughout the garage. The house is completely loaded with a lot of amenities, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, has central vacuum in there, extra large bedrooms, walk-in showers, anything and everything you would absolutely want to have in a home up here. It is just completely loaded and ready for you to move in. The list price on it is $960,000. And again, it is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, just a little over 3,200 square feet. And it was built in 2003. And it sits on an acre lot, which is really nice. There's also a pool in the backyard, a spa in the backyard, a fire pit in the backyard, and lots of room behind all that to do whatever you want because, as I said, it sits on an acre, so you can do whatever you want back there, especially since there is no HOA. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to know everything about living in Phoenix, Arizona, or even the surrounding areas, well, subscribe below and remember to hit the bell, ding, 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 so you can be the first to be notified when anything new comes up about Phoenix, Arizona. We get calls, texts, emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Phoenix, Arizona, and we absolutely love it. We are here to serve you, help you, and support you at the highest level possible. So as I mentioned earlier, we are going to go walk into this house, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a little over 3,200 square feet, show you around. The list price on it is $960,000, located in the North Phoenix area in Desert Hills area. So let's go ahead and take a walk in and see what you want. Oh, I do have to let you know, I walked in earlier and the smoke alarm's going off because of the battery needs to be replaced. And so we're going to have a little chirp, chirp as we walk in there. So I do apologize. You're going to hear chirp throughout the whole process in the house. But don't let that dissuade you from anything. It's a beautiful home. I'm going to show you all around the house, out into the backyard. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below in the comments, as well as call, text, email us. We are always here to help you in any way possible. And also, if this is not the area you want, you're thinking of going in another area, let us know that as well. We will get all that information for you and send that off to you. But in the meantime, we're going to go head into the house and take a look around. So come on, let's go. So as I said, this is a 4-car garage, one right there, one right here, and the mountain preserve is just right over there. It's very close. This is the front entryway into the house. You definitely will get lots of wildlife through here. And again, you will hear the beeping because apparently the battery needs to be replaced in the house. So as they say, or Bob Barker used to say, is come on down or come on in. And the squeaky door as well. So as we enter into the house, we have the living room right here. I will back away to the right. And then right across right here is the formal dining room area. It has floor-to-ceiling mirrors, which gives it a wonderful look right there. And then as we come back here and look through the entryway here, we come into the family room. We have a fireplace there, and all the places you can put your electronics or TV. And right there is where they had a bar with all the shelving right here for all your lovely drinks that you would like to have. And then it opens up to the kitchen right there. Very nice kitchen, large pantry back there. And they also have another large walk-in pantry in the laundry room because they did a lot of entertaining. So there's the dining room or the kitchen area. And I'll back through here. And as you can see from here even, you have the views of the backyard, you have the views of the mountains over there. Every room practically has a view of the mountains and the preserve. And again, this is your living room right here. And then right over here is your formal dining room or whatever room you want to make it. But that's what it's been used for. So you come down the hallway here. To your left is garage door number 1 to a 2-car garage. Then you turn right into the master primary suite, which has slider doors out to the backyard, and the spa is right there outside your door. So you can go out to the spa, then access right back into the primary bedroom. And that, like I said, you have views of the mountains from here. And then this is your bedroom. Looking outside there. And then I'll take you into the master primary bathroom. It has double sinks. One right here. A nice soaker tub. Another sink right there. And then the walk-in shower is right around the corner here. It's a snail shower. It's not super huge, but it definitely does the trick. Lots of natural light does come into the house here. And then right here, I will look, it has the water closet. It has a toilet and a bidet. And then here is the primary closet. So lots of shelving in here. So the purses, shoes, whatever things else you want to put into your master closet here. If you look on the other side, there's lots of room in here. And you can even go up higher here if you wanted to go all the way up. Some people like to go all the way up to the ceiling. And then right there, lots of places and shelves around here. Coming back into the primary bathroom, here's again one sink and the scan to the other. Which is nice to have the sink separated like that so you don't feel like you're on top of each other. And then this nice soaker tub. Lots of natural light coming out, like I said. And then you have the views, the beautiful views to your backyard, to the mountain preserve and the mountains in the distance. And then we're going to walk back out. There's the entryway into the first 2-car garage, and we're going to come out. And again, here is your living room. And then over here, again, is your formal dining room. And then down the hall here. Oh, you know what? I want to give you an idea what it looks like from this side. When you're down here, the hallway here. And it looks neat. So you walk down the hallway. It's a split floor plan. All the extra bedrooms are on the other side of the house, which is where we're going. So bedroom number 1 right here. Nice large bedroom with a view out here to the mountain preserve. You can't see it too well with the drapes, but if you were to take them down, you would definitely get a nice view of it. And of course, you have the faucet there. These 2 bedrooms over here do share a bathroom. A Jack and Jill has double sinks and a nice walk-in shower, which I will show you as well. And even here it has so much natural light. Here is the other secondary bedroom. And again, this view here on this one, you get to outside the mountain preserves over there to the south of the house. Wood floors in all the bedrooms and tiles throughout the rest. And then down here is your laundry room. Here's your linen closet here. And then here's the big laundry room. If you want to ride your bicycle while you're doing your laundry, you know what? Go at it. And then again, another window lets a lot of natural light come in, which is really nice. And then give you another view back here. This door right here is your large walk-in pantry. And the door just to the left of that is your 2nd-car garage, making 4-car garage. Right here, this space was used for another freezer. So you can put a refrigerator, freezer, whatever you want in there. But this is a very, very large laundry room. I like to back out so you can take a look at it again. Again, right here, almost floor to ceiling cabinets for your linen closets. And then back down the hall here to the right is not primary, but secondary bedroom 1, Jack and Jill bathroom. Second of the guest bedrooms. Then you come down to the hallway, and here is your formal dining room with a nice view outside. Your living room right over there. You continue to walk down and then turn to the right, and you have your family room kitchen. So if you're entertaining with family and friends or whatever, while you're in the kitchen cooking or baking or whatever you want to do, you definitely get the feeling that you are part of the activity going on within the house. Show you that. And the views, like I said, they're just spectacular here. Kitchen. And we have one more bedroom. Yes, another bedroom. This is what we call the mother-in-law suite that we're going to go to, which is down here to the right. And right here on the right is the other bathroom for the mother-in-law suite. It has a walk-in shower, a toilet and sink. It's a full bathroom. And then here is the other one. Whether you want to use it as a bedroom or even as a nice office. And look at this. You have views of the mountains, the preserve over there. And then right out here, you have built-in barbecues and views of the mountains back here. A roadrunner always comes and sits on that tree. And then look at this beautiful view of the patio and then out there by the pool. I'll back up here so you can get this view of it as well. You have a little desk there if you want to have that. Your closet right here. And I'll swing back around so you can take a look. View out there, a view out there, and then another view over there to your right. Just a beautiful bedroom, a beautiful layout of a home. And another sliding door, as you can see. This room and the primary master bedroom has slider doors going out to the back patio. So again, you walk out, here's the kitchen and the family room right here with all those wonderful views outside. And now we're going to go outside here. And there we go. And then right to the left, you can see where the spa is. And it comes off of the primary master bedroom right here. And then your pool is down here, and you're up higher right here to get wonderful, wonderful views of the valley down there. And we get you another, there's where the mother-in-law bedroom is. That's the tree the roadrunner likes to sit on. You have a built-in barbecue down there, a fire pit further down, and then the pool is right here. And then you just walk down the steps right here. Try not to fall while holding the camera. And then right there you have a fire pit. And look at all that extra space behind the pool, behind everything else, whatever you want to do with it. You can leave it as is and leave it at a desert-looking backyard, or you can create whatever oasis you want. It's sort of like a blank slate. And like I said, every home sits on an acre. So you don't feel like you're so closed in and next to your neighbor. A large, long, covered patio, spa, and then the primary rooms there. And then we will walk back in. Then we come back in. Then the kitchen, the entryway down there into the house, and then the family room right here. It is just a very well-made home, beautiful home. And as I said, it's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, just a little over 3,200 square feet, 4-car garage, extended car garage, cabinets throughout the whole garage. So there we have it. This beautiful listing here up in the Desert Hills area in North Phoenix off the Carefree Highway. It is, again, a 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It has 4-car garage, extended garage. It has central vac. It has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. It just has a whole lot. The backyard has a pool, a fire pit, a spa back there, a mother-in-law suite in the house, no HOA, and it sits on an acre lot. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Mary Kay Marino, and whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, or even 9 months, call, text, or email us. All our information is below in the description to help you make a smooth move to Arizona. We are here to help you, serve you, and direct you, guide you, whatever you need at the highest level possible. So as I always say, until we see you around town next time, show you around town next time, you have an awesome, marvelous, incredible day. Bye for now.